Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to teach you how to carve an 8-pointed star. So, the first thing you do is you're going to draw diagonal lines from left to right, like so, all the way around your piece of wood. This is a piece of basswood, and it is almost 2 inches by 2 inches. Now, the best way to start this is you put a little line in the middle like that, and you just want to go from left to right, just following along the lines, the diagonal lines that you've made, trying not to cut over them if you possibly can. And then you turn it around, you go back to the other side, and you keep going and you keep going. Okay. A good piece of basswood is good to do this because you're cutting across the grain. You really need something that's going to be as smooth as possible for you to cut. Otherwise, it just becomes really hard work on your hands. And the wood just splits, and it's a mess. Okay, so I'm going to make another little stop cut there, just to make it easier for me. Again, this is a nice way to learn about knife control, to learn about different cuts, to learn about deep cuts, shallow cuts, you know, to learn about the wood. It's good to help your hands to learn the dexterity that you need, obviously, to hold all these shapes of wood all the time. And it's also just something fun to do if you're not sure what else you would like to carve. You can, of course, do it with a chisel. If you don't have a knife, you can always do it with a chisel. Again, it's a bit more sketchy. You might cut yourself. If you've got something you can, like a desk or something you can push against. You see, it works. It's a little bit harder, a little bit more awkward. You have to be careful that you're not, you know, catching yourself or anything like that. Obviously, you want to try and be as safe as you can be. So when you get to a bit like that, like I'm trying to go this way and it's a bit catchy, so what I'll do, I'll just go from the opposite direction to start with and just bring it in. Now it's up to you if you want to bring it right down to a really fine sort of point like this, or if you want to leave it round like this and then come back to it later. Again, you just keep going like that. You see how easy it is with the basswood? Just get nice. Easy bits. Again, you're cutting across the grain, so some of the cuts are a little bit stiff, they're a little bit difficult. Just take it easy, take it slowly, don't get frustrated. Don't rush it, is the main thing I would say. Don't rush it. See, now I'm going to put a little stop cut just there, because that's a difficult area right there in the middle. And that little stop cut just makes it easier for me to get down to the center of the star like that. You see? Okay. Like that. Like I said, this is really beginner friendly. You only really need a knife and a piece of wood, a piece of soft wood, maybe some sanding paper if you want to sand it afterwards. If you're a messy carver like I am, Where my cuts aren't always beautiful, they're not always perfect. Okay. I just try to I concentrate more on what I'm carving rather than how I'm carving. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But yeah, you just keep okay. You just keep doing this the whole time. It really doesn't like going that way, so I do put the stop cut in. I start small from the end, and I just keep going. Or I turn it this way. And I keep going. I mean, that is basically the premise of this piece. You just keep going and keep going. Until you have the desired star shape at the end. It's a bit on the old hands. Honestly, it's good as well to help you sort of train your endurance for your hands and things. Again, I'm just doing this rough just to show you. Obviously, once you get to the sides of the piece, like I am now, because that was end grain, this is the side of the piece now, it's so much easier. You have to be careful you don't take massive chunks off and mess the shape up. But yeah, basically, again, if you're worried you're going to take too big a pieces off and mess the shape up, just put a little stop cut and just work to that, like so. And then work it off on the other side. Put another stop cut. Work to that. Another stop cut, work to that. Again, if you like my videos and you want to see more beginner friendly videos and tips and tricks on carving and me carving other things, I also do a live carving once a week. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I hope to see you around. If you've got any questions, just put it below in the comments. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to know about. If I know, I can help you out. If not, then I'm sure we can find out together. This might seem like a boring project, but again, it goes up next levels, because once you've got your star like this, you can then draw little mini triangles, and you can try to hollow out those triangles, and then you can go on to try and hollow out a ball inside of a star, which is quite interesting. So that's the basic premise of how you do this. This is the end result. A nice big star. Like I said, this is pretty rough. I need to sand it, go through it. Got any questions? Or, you know, if there's anything you'd like to see me carve, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.